please think about putting financial education in high school because he wishes that he knew these things early. And that's exactly what you're
Yes,
saying.
that's
The
what I'm
education
saying.
is
Yeah.
needed
Yes.
for sure.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
the thing is, when we think about the fact that we want a better life, person saying, I want rich by a morning, that's not exactly how it works. It doesn't quite work like that.
You have to,
The
right, you have
richness,
to allow time. You have to allow time to
right,
work for
it's the
you. Yeah.
consistency. And the earlier you
Right.
start, then, right, the earlier you
It's
start,
a
especially our
better.
children, primary school, even
Absolutely.
basic school, the
Yes.
earlier you start, then the
They
better. Because
understand.
that's
They're
when the money
managing
is going
money.
to
They're
come.
managing money. They're managing their lunch money and other monies that their parents give them. So it's
I
important
tell
that they
people all the
know.
time, my son is 3. We invest for him a little bit each month. By the time he's 18, we have enough money for college. More than that, we have a
Yeah,
start for him. And I encourage all parents to do the
absolutely.
same. As your
Yeah.
child is
I'm
born,
glad you mentioned that because I did the same thing
right?
for our daughters. We have two daughters, and they're one's past college age already. She went through college. Another one is in her second year, and I'm sitting here worry free because
You
oh, from
started
birth,
early.
yes, from birth, you put aside some amount and you just do it consistently. Yes, there are times when you wanted to do other things with the money, but you just develop that discipline that says, in 18 years, I don't have to worry about college.